So I have Logan Walker here from Colorado.
Yes, sir.
What part of Colorado?
Winter Park, kind of the Grand County area.
Nice. So you've been here since Friday, attending the 3-day private Detail Czar Certified Licensee Training course. You did a fabulous job. You really did.
Thank you.
Very, very nice. Very proud of you. So what do you think of the training, starting with the business class on Friday, the exterior paint correction and ceramic coating class on Saturday, and today interior training along with headlight restoration?
Well, it was great. The business aspects, it was really enlightening, I'd say. There was lots of stuff that I never even thought about that really go into accounting for the business side.
So you think what you learned on Friday is going to definitely help you grow your business faster?
Absolutely. There's plenty of stuff there that I can then expound upon and
Excellent.
create a company worthy of sales.
Absolutely, man. That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah.
So what about the exterior training yesterday? Paint correction, polishing, ceramic coatings?
I mean, there was so much to learn with that. I have never done it before, so it's kind of huge for me to get into that because that's kind of a huge selling point of details and stuff. So
Sure. So now you'll be able to offer ceramic coating and, of course, paint correction that goes along with that. And you really didn't provide that before, huh?
absolutely not.
So that should
Yeah, I mean,
definitely increase your revenues.
yeah, by far, yeah.
And what about today, the interior day and headlight restoration?
I learned how to use a steam for the first time. I think that was really valuable. I mean, extracting, I'd never done that before, so
Wow.
large parts.
Large, yeah. Definitely got a lot of hands-on experience. And what do you think of the private training? Because, I mean, that's really separates us from a lot of the other training programs throughout the country, the one-on-one training.
I felt there was a lot of kind of being personal. You know, I
Sure.
felt like there was more personality there and
Sure.
had a lot more elements that, I mean, I looked other places for other companies like that and they just didn't have it. So
Sure. Well, we greatly appreciate you coming. You did a fantastic job on this Subaru, you and the other student that we're going to talk with him in a few minutes. And, of course, our trainers that are back there. Good job, guys. Probably increased the value of the Subaru by $5,000.
yeah.
So, Logan, you are now Details are certified and Jade Ceramic certified. Did a fantastic job.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.